I think the business community has become extraordinarily sophisticated in the last couple of years about the role of nature. So coming to the Congress is an opportunity to really dig into the details of how nature can help them improve their bottom line around addressing climate change. It's the biggest trade show for the best and brightest in the conservation world to learn from each other. The energy that comes up from having 5,000 of your peers, friends, and colleagues together talking about and caring about the same problems sends everyone home excited to roll their sleeves up and do even better.